Cooking is easy and delicious.
Canned baked beans in tomato sauce, a childhood memory for many people. They're also often served with Western-style meals. Does everyone love them? Baked beans in tomato sauce are sweet and tangy with a soft, hearty texture, classic and delicious combination. They are rich in plant-based protein and dietary fiber, making them a nutritious choice. They can be eaten straight from the can or paired with bread, fried eggs, and more, offering versatile serving options. Ingredients: canned baked beans, potato, egg, peel and cubes potato. Baked beans with roasted potatoes. The creamy, slightly sweet potatoes make it even more satisfying. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates and dietary fiber, providing sustained energy and aiding digestion. They contain vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins, supporting immunity and metabolism. Diced potatoes roast best at 100 degrees Celsius for 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, flipped once for even browning. Perfect when golden outside and tender inside at 5 minutes for larger chunks. Crack egg and beat until frothy. Open a can of baked beans in tomato sauce and set aside. Canned baked beans provide plant-based protein and fiber, are low-fat with lycopene antioxidants. Opt for low-sugar versions or pair with whole grains due to potential added sugar, salt in sauces. Let's fry egg and start cooking. Pour beaten eggs into a preheated pan, swirl to form a thin layer, and cook over medium-low heat until edges set but center remains slightly runny. Then immediately scramble into tender curds with a spatula and remove at 80% doneness for optimal tenderness. The rich flavor of eggs pairs perfectly with the sweet tangy tomato sauce, creating a classic match. Whether it's scrambled eggs drizzled with tomato sauce or fried eggs served with baked beans, the combo always delights the palate. Simple yet nutritious, this beloved flavor remains a timeless favorite from childhood to adulthood. Fried eggs set aside. Add baked beans into wok and bring to boil. Add water to dilute tomato sauce. The baked beans in tomato sauce are perfectly seasoned, no need to add extra salt during cooking. Simply heat and serve or combine with other ingredients to maintain a balanced flavor without excess sodium. Finally, add the scrambled eggs and give it a good mix. Then it's ready to serve and enjoy. I love adding pepper powder and turmeric for extra flavor. It's one of my favorite ways to enjoy them. Give it a try. The aroma and taste are truly amazing. Omit this step if you dislike turmeric flavor. The warm spiciness of turmeric blends perfectly with the sweet, tangy tomato sauce, giving the potatoes and beans a rich, exotic flavor. The golden hue pairs with tender potatoes and creamy beans for a satisfying texture contrast. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties combine with lycopene from tomatoes, making it both delicious and nutritious. Simmering unlocks the aromas effortlessly. Even beginners can master this dish. This hearty home-style dish pairs perfectly with bread or rice, a comforting one-pot meal that's both satisfying and delicious. The modern canned version originated in 19th century America, while slow-cooked bean dishes stem from Native American and British naval food traditions. Baked beans are typically made with white beans, for example, navy beans, not soybeans, though some Asian variations may use them. They're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and iron, with lycopene from tomato sauce offering antioxidants. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.